Yes, student, electronegativity, that is the next atomic property. Student, actually electronegativity, this is the property of atom but present in a molecule. Okay, this is not the individual property, but actually what, there is a comparative study between two atoms present in a molecule. Okay, suppose a molecule is made up of atoms of two different elements. A molecule, that is a covalent molecule, is made up of atoms of two different elements. Then obviously their nuclear attraction force will be different. And if the nuclear attraction forces of two combined atoms are different, then the electron which are present between them will be more attracted by those atoms which have strong nuclear attraction force as compared to the second atom which have lower or weaker attraction force. What? Comparatively lower attraction force. Is this clear? That means what? Electronegativity is the property of element present in a molecule. Getting? This is not belongs to individual property like ionization enthalpy and electron enthalpy. Getting? So now, what is electronegativity? It is the partial. Okay, remember. Okay, not completely. It is the partial shifting of shared pair of electron. Remember, not a single electron but shared pair of electron towards one of an atom, okay, having comparatively strong nuclear attraction force, okay, of a covalent molecule. Okay, example, H and Cl, getting hydrochloric acid. Now student, in hydrogen chloride, one electron each is shared between hydrogen and chlorine atom, that is atoms of two different elements, but the chlorine have 17 number of proton, so nuclear attraction force is of 17 proton, while hydrogen have only one number of proton. And you know that the electrons are of which charge? Negative charge. So if the negative charge electron are present between two atoms, which type of two atoms? Having strong attraction force and weaker attraction force, then obviously the shared pair of electron will be slightly shifted towards what? Chlorine. Isn't it? So if it is slightly shifted towards chlorine, then what will happen? Then HCl, and the shifting of electron is shown by arrow and its head will be here. Getting? Not in a complete end but little before. What it shows? It shows partial shifting, and the partial shifting is given by the sign del. And now being the electron is partially gained by Cl, therefore gaining of electron given by negative sign. Similarly, the shifting takes place from hydrogen. That means what? The electron density is little decreases around the hydrogen, decreasing of electron density given by the sign plus. But what? Partial decrease in electron density, therefore again it is given the sign what? Minus. Okay, thus due to electronegativity differences, between two combined atoms between two combined atoms. Okay, one of an atom, one of an atom with strong nuclear attraction force. Strong what? Nuclear attraction force acquires what? Partial negative charge. Acquire what? Partial negative charge, while other one acquire what? Partial positive charge. Partial positive charge. This partial positive charge is denoted by the sign what? Del sign. Partial positive charge. That is covalent molecule becomes what? Polar, or you can say dipolar. What is the meaning of dipolar? Two type of poles are there, positive poles and negative poles. Therefore, this is called dipolar, or simply polar. This is also called what? Simply polar. And such molecules are called polar covalent molecule. What? Now these are not simple molecule, but called what? Polar covalent molecules. Now, student S, the concept of electronegativity depends on what? Nuclear attraction force. So, those elements which have strongest attraction force will always have tendency to partial shared pair of electron towards itself. Okay, so elements, okay, with strongest attraction force or strong attraction force are as what? The fluorine have highest, little lesser of what? Oxygen, and little lesser of nitrogen. But these three elements are called most electronegative element. Called what? Most electronegative element. Electronegative elements. Meaning elements. Is it clear? The fluorine has highest electronegativity. This is a 4.0. Oxygen have little lesser, 3.5, and the nitrogen have again little lesser, 3.2. But some element like the carbon have electronegativity 2.1. Okay, hydrogen have electronegativity 2.0. Okay, chlorine have electronegativity 3.2. Okay, that means what? That means with the help of these things, you can solve some questions. That is, which molecule will be polar, which will be most polar, which will be least polar. For example, okay, which molecule is most polar? Which molecule is most polar? Is what? Most polar. Like if the questions are what? HCl, HBr, HF or HI. So, student, we know that electronegativity, this is the tendency to attract a shared pair of electron, and it will depends on what? Nuclear attraction force. And the nuclear attraction force depends on atomic size. Are you getting? In all these compounds, H is common here. H is common, but the uncommon thing is what? This is Cl, this is Br, this is F, and this is I. So which one is smallest in size? F1 is smallest in size. So which one has strongest attraction force? F has strongest attraction force. So which one has highest electronegativity? So the fluorine has highest electronegativity. Okay, so which one will easily attract a shared pair of electron? So F will easily attract a shared pair of electron. Therefore, the answer will become what? HF. Isn't it? That is what? The hydrochloric acid is what? The most polar. It is what? Most polar. Are you getting? This is due to the differences in electronegativity between two atoms. This is H and this is what? F. This is 4.0 and this is only 2.0. So the difference is a point 2.0. So as greater the differences between electronegativity of two combining atom, more will be the partial shifting of shared pair of electron. Again I am repeating the term what? The attraction of shared pair of electron takes place, and which is again what? Partial, which is, it is not complete attraction, but it is just partial attraction.